Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the initial steps to officially register and authorize your online profile as a verified merchant on the global G2G gaming marketplace. To initiate the setup, open your internet browser, head directly to the official platform homepage, and look at the top menu layout to select the Become a Seller option. Click the registration link to build a fresh profile using your master email address or social media credentials, and immediately input your active mobile phone number to undergo a secure verification test via a standard text message passcode. Once your basic login framework is operational, navigate straight to the central dashboard and select the Start Selling button to initialize the mandatory personal verification phase. For this security review, you must upload a clear photo of your official identification document alongside a real-time selfie to authenticate your profile legitimacy and comply with strict marketplace policy. The support staff typically evaluates your submitted documents within a window of 48 hours, and the moment they grant approval, you will receive an automated confirmation email unlocking full listing permissions so you can immediately publish your inventory and securely process payments. Subscribe the channel for more videos.